why October is called as Pink Month? Because breast cancer awareness is celebrated in this October month. So instead of me talking about this breast cancer awareness, let us know facts or myths about this breast cancer awareness more from the nursing team who experience on a day-to-day basis, whether it is in chemo, radiation, surgical, as well as palliative care. So let's start asking questions to this nursing team. So my first question is, so how many cases do they operate per month for breast cancer patients?
But approximately 15 to 20 cases per month.
Okay, so all these 15 to 20 cases are female, or do you get men also in this?
Ma'am, around 2% cases are men in these cases.
Okay, the first myth is it's not only just for females, even men also get breast cancer. So the next fact which I want to know from you is, you often treat all these palliative care patients during the final stages in breast cancer. So what is the one thing which they usually tell they repent for not doing it early? What is that?
Where they could have breast early.
Okay, this is the most common thing which we listen from the palliative end stage patients. They often tell they could have done their self-examination early and got their mammograms early, because by doing this, it can improve your survival rate and you can live for longer time. The myth which I want to know is, what I usually hear is breast cancer patients are usually very old age group. Is it clearly true during your treatment phase?
No, ma'am. Not only just old age group. Even I see 18 to 20 years and 20 to 30 years also.
Okay, so breast cancer, what myth we have to know is, it's not just confined to old age group. It's equally distributed among all age groups. So early detection is more important. Next part which I want to know from is, how chemotherapy do you give per day for breast cancer patients?
So 20 to 23 course.
So among these 20 to 25 patients, when you enter rank, so what is the more common problem do they have?
Than receiving chemotherapy, they are more worried of losing.
Okay, so this is just for short term. After you receive chemotherapy, everything will be fine, back to normal. So what question or what myth I want to know from you is, when people, that is breast cancer patients, come to OPD, when you ask their family history, how much percentage of them tell they have their family history of breast cancer?
Only 18% them family history.
Okay, that is significantly low. This is the most common myth. What people think is, if they have significant family history, they'll develop breast cancer. But it is only just 15%. Even the non-significant family history people are supposed to get early detection and get mammograms as early as possible. So next myth which I want to know from her is, mammogram usually causes high radiation and it also can cause cancer. This is the usual myth which everyone has. Is it really true about that?
No, ma'am. Very low dose of the radiation.
Okay, mammogram, this is a common myth. Mammogram causes very low dose of radiation. Indeed, it is more helpful because it can early detect cancer. Early detection and empathy can save lives. So together, we stand to fight against cancer.